Good evening everyone. So today we'll discuss about Milne's predictor corrector method. So let's see the formula to solve Milne's predictor corrector method. So there are two formula by Milne's predictor. So the formula for Milne's predictor is Y4 and here you will write P. P indicates predictor. For Milne's corrector, you will write Y4 and here you will write C. So the formula is Y0 plus 4h by 3 to F1 minus F2 plus 2F3. This is the formula of Milne's predictor. And Milne's corrector equal to Y2 plus H3 F2 plus 4F3 plus F4. So there are two formulas for Milne's predictor. You will indicate with small p. So Y4 raised to small p equal to Y0 plus 4h by 3 in bracket 2F1 minus F2 plus 2F3. For Milne's corrector you will indicate with small c. So Y4 is equal to Y2 plus H3 bracket F2 plus 4F3 plus F4. So this is the formula for find only Y4. But what about Y1, Y2 and Y3? So to find Y1, Y2, Y3, you can choose any of the following method. For Y1, Y2 and Y3, you can choose any one method. Like you can choose Picard's method, you can choose Taylor series method, Euler's method, modified Euler. Any of the method you can take and you can find Y1, Y2, Y3. Then you will find Y4. So let's take an example. So this is the question given. Differential equation dy by dx equal to x minus y square. X0 is 0, y0 equal to 1, h equal to 0.2. You have to compute y at x equal to 0.8. So we'll prepare the table. X0 equal to 0 given. X1, h is 0.2. So x1 will be 0.2, x2 will be 0.4, x3 0.6, x4 0.8. So we will stop here. Why? Because you have to compute till x equal to 0.8. So y, you will find y with the help of Picard's, Taylor, Euler or modified Euler method. So y0 equal to 0, y1 equal to 0.02, y2 equal to 0.0795, y3 equal to 0.1762. Now here you will find y4. How to find y4? With the help of predictor and corrector method. So here you will find for predictor first, then for corrector, like this. And y dash. So y dash is equal to x minus y square. So you will find y dash equal to x minus y square. So y0 dash will be 0 minus 0 square is 0. Y1 dash will become x minus y square. So x is 0.2 minus 0.02 the whole square, 0.1996. Like this you will find y2 dash, y3 dash. Then y4 dash for predictor, y4 dash for corrector. So y2 dash will be 0.3937 and y3 dash will become 0.5689. So with the help of Milne's predictor and Milne's corrector, you will find now y4 and y4 dash. First of all, Milne's predictor. So y4 p is equal to, the formula is given. So just substitute in the given formula. Y0 is 0 plus 4h. H is 0.2 by 3 to F1. F1 means y1 dash, y2 dash and y3 dash. F1 is y1 dash minus y2 dash and this is y3 dash. So see, we have the value of y1 dash, y2 dash and y3 dash. Just substitute it. So 0.1996 minus F2 is 0.3937 plus 2, F3 is 0.5689. So after solving this, we got the value 0.3049. So this is Y4 predictor. And now for corrector, again Y2 is 0.0795 plus 0.2 by 3, 0.3937 plus 4, 0.5689 plus 0.707. Just substitute it. We have all the values. So Y4C will become 0.3046. So it is Y4P. Now we will find Y4 dash. So Y4 dash is X4 minus Y4 square. It will become 0.707. Like this. Y4 dash corrector will become X4 minus Y4 square. So the value is 0.8 minus 0.3046 the whole square equal to 0.7072. So see, we got Y4 predictor 0.3049 and Y4 dash predictor 0.707. Y4 corrector 0.3046, 0.7072. So this is our final solution. I hope you all understand. See, it's very easy. In Milne's predictor corrector method, these are the two formula, Y4P and Y4C. For Y1, Y2, Y3, you can choose any of the method, Picas, Taylor, Euler, Modify Euler, any of the method. Then you will find Y4. Then you will just substitute in the formula. So this is the table of X, Y, and this is nothing but this one, F, X minus Y square. So this is our final solution. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.